Riding a bike is awesome. But what if we told you some gadgets can make it even cooler? From safety to style, these gadgets can jazz up your biking experience. Let's dive into the world of the 15 coolest bike gadgets you can get your hands on. Number 15. Portable Floor Pump. The portable floor pump is a smart solution for cyclists, making work easier, not harder. Created with care and countless hours of perfecting, this gadget ensures no cyclist faces the frustration of a flat tire. For riders, flat tires are common, but with the portable floor pump, fixing them becomes quick and easy, minimizing the hassle. It's a critical accessory, reliable and versatile, that every cyclist should have. Number 14. Nello Magnetic Bike Bell. If you want a bell that's both stylish and functional, check out the Nello Magnetic Bike Bell. It's a small ball that doesn't bounce but makes a sound when you tap it. You can attach it to your bike's handlebar with the rubber support included in the kit. When you reach your destination, just take it off and put it in your pocket. Plus, it has 3 different ring sounds that change each time you take it off and put it back on. Number 13. Revolights Eclipse. Upgrade your bike with Revolights Eclipse for a cool and safe ride. Integrated seamlessly into your bike, this innovative lighting system combines style and functionality, transforming your commuting experience. Riding at night becomes awesome with enhanced road safety as this system keeps you visible from yards away. Its intelligent cableless design and snap-in rechargeable battery make installation and operation a breeze. Number 12. Smart Tail Light. The Smart Bike Tail Light Ultra Bright is a clever gadget designed for cyclists. It's compact, tough, and shines brightly. This tail light adjusts to the surrounding light, making it turn on when it's dark and you're moving. Its powerful beam ensures you're visible from far away, even in bad weather like rain or fog. You don't need to worry about switching it on or off. It does it for you. And it's waterproof, so heavy rain won't harm it. Number 11. Eesens Shield. Make your bike safer and smarter with the Eesens Shield. It's made up of 2 parts, a tail light for your bike and a sensor for your helmet. Turning on your turn signal is now easier than ever. Just turn your head to check traffic, and the lights will indicate the direction automatically. The brake light also turns on by itself. Plus, it adjusts its brightness for better visibility during the day. The Shield also includes a loud alarm to scare off thieves and a handy mobile app to help you find your bike in a crowded parking lot, saving you time. It's as simple as changing your shoes. Number 10. Hammerhead One. Hammerhead One is a cool GPS gadget for bikes that you can put on your handlebars. It's shaped like a T and lights up to show you which way to go using its special GPS app on your phone. It works with popular cycling apps like Strava and MapMeRide too. Even though it has small lights, they're easy to see without taking your eyes off the road. Number 9. Ass Savers Extended Bike Mudguard. For bike commuters in rainy weather, a soggy backside can be a hassle. Ass Savers solve this problem. They're simple gadgets that attach to your bike saddle, shielding your back from getting wet. Made from polypropylene, they're easy to fold along pre-scored lines and fit various saddle rails. These handy shields are popular among cyclists worldwide, offering tried and tested protection. If you need extra coverage for faster rides, the Ass Savers Extended provides added length for better protection. Number 8. Linka Smart Lock. This clever bike lock keeps your bike safe from thieves with just a tap. It has sensors that spot any sneaky moves and sets off a loud siren to catch attention. You'll also get a warning on your phone if someone tries to mess with it. Plus, only you can unlock it. It stays powered for up to 16 months on one charge and takes just 2 hours to juice up with a micro USB. It fits most bikes, giving you keyless access. Number 7. Stylish Bicycle Saddle Bag. The Walnut Studiolo Designer Saddle Bag is handmade and crafted with natural vegetable tanned leather, offering a chic solution for carrying your essentials. Inspired by the traditional brandy barrels, its design is both classic and practical. You can easily attach it to your seat rail or saddle eyelets, and it's waterproof, ensuring your belongings stay safe even in bad weather. Number 6. GoPro Hero 5 Session. If you love going on adventures and off-road trips, the GoPro Hero 5 Session is a must-have for you. It's small, lightweight, and easy to attach anywhere, making it perfect for capturing amazing moments on your journeys. This weather-resistant camera is designed to withstand harsh conditions and can record high-quality 1080p videos. Plus, it's affordable, making it the ideal choice for adventurers looking to share their experiences online with original content. Number 5. SmartHalo 2. Introducing the SmartHalo 2, crafted by bikers for bikers. With its user-friendly interface, it helps you ride smarter by navigating safely and monitoring your fitness effortlessly. This innovative gadget doesn't stop there. It also safeguards your bike with a loud alarm. Plus, it keeps you connected to loved ones and smart home devices while you're on the go, thanks to its integrated assistant technology. SmartHalo 2 is your ultimate biking companion, enhancing both your safety and connectivity on the trails. Number 4. Siva Cycle Atom. The Siva Cycle Atom is a small gadget that you can put on your bike's back wheel. It makes electricity when you ride your bike. This electricity can charge your smartphone. It charges at about the same speed as when you plug your phone into a USB 2.0 port. You can charge your phone in two ways. Either connect it directly to the device or let the removable battery charge first, and then use it to charge your phone later. It's lightweight, so it won't make your bike heavy or hard to ride. Number 3. Trieste Coffee Cup Holder. Whether you're enjoying a leisurely bike ride with loved ones or going on a relaxed cycling date with your partner, the Trieste Coffee Cup Holder is a perfect addition to make your time even better. This handy accessory securely mounts onto your bike, providing a safe spot for your warm cup of coffee. With its soft grip material, it easily holds any coffee cup with a sealed lid, ensuring you can focus on cherishing memorable moments without worrying about spills. Number 2. Ticc Blinker. The flashing gauge is a simple yet effective device that easily clips onto the back of your helmet. It helps signal your intentions while biking or riding a scooter or skateboard. Whether you're turning right or left, a simple turn of your head triggers the device to alert drivers behind you. With distinct acoustic signals for each direction, you can stay informed without taking your eyes off the road. Plus, it lasts up to 10 hours on a single charge, making it convenient for all your rides. Number 1. Granite Stash RCX. Introducing the Granite Stash RCX. It's like a secret storage space for your bike. Instead of hiding explosives, it hides an 8-piece multi-tool kit inside your bike frame, along with a spoke key and valve core remover. This nifty accessory ensures compatibility with various bikes and is easy to install. Now, you'll never forget your tools when you're out on the road because the Granite Stash RCX is always there, ready for any unexpected repairs. That's all for now. I hope you have enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to like and share the video and follow us for more amazing updates. Thanks for watching till the end.